I think right here, I see him on my left. I've got Robin Baggett, and I'm sure you know him. I know a lot of the trade knows him, of Alpha Omega. Hi, Robin. Come on up. Come on up. How are you?
Hello. How are you? Welcome, everybody.
It's so good to see you. Thank you for being here.
I'm glad to be here.
You're a busy man this week.
We're doing a little barbecue.
You're doing a lot of barbecue.
We're doing a lot of barbecue on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's just so good to have our trade back. It's like, I feel like it's homecoming. And to get to see everybody again and basically break bread, enjoy each other's company, network, establish those relationships, which is so valuable. I mean, our trade are our most loyal ambassadors.
Yes.
And I hear we have people throughout the world watching today. We have Europe and Far East, and what amazing. That's something we're going to probably
say hello to them. They're
continue
all out
to
there.
do.
Yes, say hello. We're so thrilled to have so many people from all over the world joining us both here in the room and outside live, virtually. For the first time ever, we've never done this before. We've never had a camera in this room streaming. Tell me about what it was like to have the trade and why it's so important. You hosted, I think, 3 barbecues this week for them to hang out with Alpha Omega.
It's the friendship, the camaraderie, the loyalty. It's a real honor for us as vintners to make a special wine that's unique. I mean, this is some of the rarest wine that'll ever exist because most of them are just 5K slots, and they're unique. And it's a way for us to kind of give back and say thank you to the trade and make it available to those loyal wine shops, restaurants, or consumers that really love our wine.
Yeah.
So it's a two-way street here. We like making the wine, this special wine for this week.
And so what is the special wine for this week for Alpha Omega? What's the wine?
Well, we did one that's kind of different, kind of a thing off DTT, direct to trade, but it's 3 of our vineyards. One's the Drew Vineyard, one's our Thomas Vineyard, and one's our new Tench Vineyard. And they're from 3 different parts of the valley: mountain, hillside, and valley floor. So it's an interesting combination.
We put
one third of each.
That's a tough blend, right? You've got to find the balance, strike the balance between all 3. They give you lots of different things.
Well, I actually tasted a little bit. It's pretty good.
Well, I would hope you tasted it.
I didn't make it, but I tasted it.
So what is that going to pair with? Because I know you're a barbecue master. Because not only were you hosting these barbecues, you were at the grill, at the pit.
Yeah, well, the ribs were off the chart, and then we did pulled pork, and our cabs do very well with that. And so, in fact, it brings up, this year we didn't have our February event, and we usually do an after party at Alpha Omega where we cook a whole hog and do, I think I did last year something like 600 ribs.
Wow.
So anyway, we're going to be back next February, back in action. Yes. And the after party will be back in action. We obviously couldn't do it this year because there'd be too many people. Yeah. I think we had 400 or 500 people at our after party. So
I've only heard rumors of the after party. I'm a former member of the trade, always working at press. I would come here as long as I possibly could for the auction and then rush back to the restaurant to get ready because it was a huge night. But I heard stories of the famous Alpha Omega after party, and man, I am excited to hopefully get an invite, fingers crossed, for next year.
We shall return.
Yeah, we shall return. Bigger and better. And you brought up a good point, which is this year we're doing Premiere Napa Valley in June, which is unusual. Normally this is happening in February. Next year we resume back to our regularly scheduled programming going back to February, right?
In mid-February, you're right.
Fantastic. So a little cooler, right? We'll be in different garb, but we'll be just as excited to be here.
Well, this is the best week in Napa Valley for the trade. There's no better week for the trade.
There really isn't.
And we love having them all here. It's great fun. Like I referred to it, it's like old home week, homecoming, and getting to see old friends, getting back together, and in full 3D, actually get to see people, and if they've been vaccinated, you get to hug them.
That's right. We love that. Thank you so much. Thank you to you guys out in the trade. This is such a special time for all of us, but we could not do it without you. I know that I speak for you, Robin, so one last thank you to our trade out there.
Thank you for all. Let's bid often and bid a lot.
That's right. Alpha Omega, what's the lot number today?
We're actually number 2. They did it in alphabetical order.
All right.
A-L.
Number 2. All right, so I'll be holding my breath until number 2 for you. Best of luck for
Thank
that
you.
third blend, and I'll see you at the after party next year.
Next year.
Next year.
Next February. Okay.
Thank you so much, Robin. Robin Baggett of Alpha Omega, everyone. Thank you so much, guys.